Okay, so it's Monday the 14th, about 5 p.m. and I'm in the front yard. I'm actually gonna put some bricks down on the driveway. Let me flip this around for you. Okay, so this was the spot that we had cut the driveway to put in a new water line, and then I put dirt back, and it's been packing down for a couple of weeks now. So now I'm ready to kind of scrape off the top of the dirt. I'm going to put some sand, about an inch of sand down, and then I'm going to put these red concrete paver bricks. These are about 4 inches wide, about 8 inches long, and about 1.5 inches thick, and 1 3/4 thick. And so I'm going to put them in. So let's see how it goes. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to get the hole to be the right depth, about 2 inches, 2 1/4, because I need to put about at least an inch of sand, maybe a 1/2 inch of sand to level it out. And then of course the bricks are, as you saw, they're about 1 3/4 inches roughly. So if I put a brick in here, right now it's below the surface, but I'm going to put some sand because I want it to be level, and the sand works really good for leveling things out. So I probably don't have enough sand for today. I'm thinking I might just get half of this driveway done, but try to get it level out and see where we're at here. Okay, so I've got about halfway's done here. It doesn't look too bad. It came out really good so far. I'm gonna put some sand in the crack right here, and because it's bigger than I wanted it to be, that's a good 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch. And then in between the bricks, what you do is you get silica sand and you brush it in. Here I'll put a border up. For now I'll just put rocks, but I'll put a border here. So I'm going to go ahead and put some sand in the cracks, and that'll help keep the bricks stabilized. Okay. All right, adding sand. Basically brush it in the cracks, back and forth, work it in the cracks, and that way it will take up the gaps in between the bricks, and so you won't have as much, you know, they won't move around as easily. It's kind of like using grout with tile, but without It's like the mosquitoes are out. Only bad part about when you're working in the evening and it's real nice, it's a lot cooler. Darn mosquitoes are still out right now. That's when they come out, the bloodsuckers. That's right, the bats will be out in a little while. Eat them up. Got a little extra sand, that's okay. I'm gonna push it down here. So I'll probably pull this dirt back a little bit right here and scoop the extra sand right in that area. We'll try that. After I sweep this up, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, here we go. This is what it looks like now. And I'm about halfway done. Still got the other half here to do. It's a 16-foot driveway width-wise, and that's kind of what we're looking at. Looks not too bad, actually. See if we can do it this way. So that's with the dirt and the driveway cut, kind of packed down. You can see some sand right here. But I've got the bricks put in here, and looks good. I think that's it for this evening, guys. Hope you have a good evening, and we'll see you on the next one. Let's see if we can get some sunset going on here, maybe. Yeah, I got a little bit of a sunset going. Got a tree growing out of my head right there, huh? There we go. All right, have a good one.